Hello guys, nandito kami sa middle of the jungle. Tingnan mo.
Go Tita Bella.
From Bella house. Now we stuck here because the tire of the scooty is punctured. You know, Daddy is trying to fix, get another some scooty. The wheels, see, they already come to remove, and then now we are stuck. We are in the middle. Time check is 6:30 p.m. here. We are still here, stuck. Now we are waiting for Daddy. Now Sophia is waiting there. Kaluoy agan Tita Bella. Si Lok, we stuck Tita Bella. Kasi nawala ng gulong. Walang hangin ang scooty. Yan mo. Now my husband bringing the wheel just now already came to check. Again now they bring back for the fixing. Now we are here. Now see the bus is coming in the middle of the road. Oh my God. Hopefully Daddy will come back quickly. Me and Sophia is waiting here for. Then we're waiting for this. No more drug. We always go out because today is Athletes. Now we go in the Bella house. Now this is happening. We stuck because I think in the middle of the road there is sharp. That's why the wheel of the scooty is punctured. See? Now nandito kami sa gitna. We're in the middle of the road. Now I saw already the moon is coming. Hopefully soon Daddy will come. Again we go home now. My baby is busy. Oh. She's busy watching. Thank you for watching.